In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in Miro. Whether you're running a workshop, facilitating a brainstorming session, or simply need to keep track of time during your meetings, Miro's timer feature can be an incredibly useful tool. So let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step to seamlessly integrate this feature into your Miro board. First things first, head over to Miro's website by navigating to miro.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login option on the home page or the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on that and you'll be prompted to sign into your Miro account. You have the option to sign in using your email address or your Google account, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. If you're planning to log in using your email, just click on continue with email, enter your credentials and you'll be all set. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Take a moment to choose the board where you want to add the timer. Simply click on the board to open it up and you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now with your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find various facilitation tools and reaction icons. Locate and click the facilitation tools and reactions icon. This action will open a menu with additional options that you can utilize during your sessions. In the menu that appears, one of the available options should be the timer. Go ahead and click on timer to begin setting it up for your session. It's worth highlighting at this point that in order to unlock and fully utilize the timer feature, you will need to have a Miro subscription. If you're not yet subscribed, this is a great opportunity to consider upgrading to gain access to a wider array of productive tools, including the timer. And there you have it, you've now integrated the timer into your Miro session. It's a valuable asset for managing time and keeping your meetings efficient and on track. Remember, by practicing with these steps, you'll master setting up the timer in no time, adding an extra layer of professionalism and organization to all your collaborative efforts in Miro. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Miro experience.